Ananya.
Ananya. Okay.
Yeah.
Ananya, you are here all dolled up with the aesthetics. You have flowers and you have this bracelet, flower bracelet. So what does this mean?
This means it's basically a sign that we are showing that we are not here for any kind of violence, as obviously demanded by CJP and people who are supporting CJP. And also, we are not violating any rights, and we are law-abiding citizens.
Okay.
Yeah,
What are you protesting against?
against this system.
Against the system, okay. Can you tell me the specifics of your protest? Like, what all do you want to change in this country after this protest or something that comes out of this protest?
So it's gonna take a whole day then.
But still, you can, give me a brief.
We are here obviously for this whole protest is that our education minister should resign. It's been a highlight how many people leaks are happening. It's been a highlight how many people are suiciding because of that. But then underlying thing is it's not just about current situation. If you're gonna see the stats, there are thousands of government schools that have been disclosed. They have been closed by the government because the government says that there are no funds.
Okay.
But I don't know.
Which government has closed schools? Can you tell?
Sorry.
Which government has closed government schools? Like which state government, central government, which government is closing schools?
There in every, you can say in every state there are actually thousands
No,
of.
but the central government runs only Kendriya Vidyalayas, like
Correct.
central schools, right?
Correct.
And no central school has been closed.
Okay,
PMC schools.
got
So you
it.
please tell me some specifics.
For specifics, like how many schools have been added?
See, numbers, no, but I can definitely tell you.
Numbers have, okay.
Yeah, I can definitely tell you what
but
I'm telling is a
what
fact.
I can definitely tell you, even if they are added on paper, no education are there is no education in those
Makes.
schools. There are no teachers, and the education system is basically they're not giving us adequate education.